Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a cold morning out, so I figured it'd be a good time to do a cold start video. I got to move some firewood, do a couple little things, so we'll start the tractors up and we'll get a good video of it. It's about 3-4 below zero right now. Got down to about 9 or 10 below last night, so things are pretty cold. We'll start the 5240 up here first, and then we'll get the BX fired up. You can see the temperature inside here, right around 4 below here inside the building. Don't mind that time. Battery's dead in my clock, as I haven't replaced it yet. All right, that's the slowest I've ever heard that tractor crank over. I'm sure it's partly because of the cold, but the battery also is probably getting a little weak. We bought that tractor, I believe it was in spring of 2012. I'd have to check for sure, but I think it was spring 2012. That's still the original battery, so it's going on, it's 10 and a half, going on 11 years old. So it's probably due for one, but it has always started well. I've started it colder than this, but that tractor's always started well. It smokes when you start it just because of the way the timing's set up, but it fires right up. So got it outside warming up, and let's fire up the BX while we're here.